Welcome to a fascinating journey through the groundbreaking world of science experiments conducted in 2023. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the realms of discovery, innovation, and the wonders that have unfolded in the past year. Hello, science enthusiasts, and welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a captivating exploration of the most remarkable science experiments that have unfolded since the beginning of 2023. From advancements in medicine to mind-boggling breakthroughs in physics, let's dive straight into the exhilarating world of scientific discovery. Quantum computing unleashed. Our first stop takes us into the realm of quantum computing, where scientists have made astonishing progress. In early 2023, researchers achieved a groundbreaking milestone by successfully demonstrating quantum supremacy, the ability of a quantum computer to solve a problem that is infeasible for classical computers. This experiment marked a paradigm shift in computing and opened the door to countless possibilities in cryptography, optimization, and simulation. 2 CRISPR's revolutionary impact. Next, we explore the groundbreaking strides made in the field of genetics and gene editing using CRISPR technology. In 2023, scientists made a monumental breakthrough by utilizing CRISPR to edit human genes responsible for certain hereditary diseases. This experiment showcased the immense potential of CRISPR as a transformative tool in the fight against genetic disorders, potentially offering hope for millions of people around the world. 3 Extraterrestrial exploration. No scientific journey would be complete without venturing into the cosmos. In 2023, space agencies worldwide collaborated on an ambitious project to send a probe to Jupiter's moon Europa. This mission aimed to explore its subsurface ocean, which could potentially harbor life. Preliminary findings revealed intriguing signs of microbial activity, fueling our curiosity about the existence of life beyond Earth and providing a glimpse into the possibilities of interstellar exploration. 4 Fusion energy on the horizon. In the quest for sustainable and clean energy sources, scientists achieved a significant breakthrough in nuclear fusion research in 2023. Experimental fusion reactors successfully sustained a plasma state for an unprecedented duration, paving the way for a future where fusion energy could meet the world's growing energy demands. This remarkable experiment offered hope for a greener and more sustainable future, free from the limitations of fossil fuels. 5 Neuroplasticity and mind control. Our final experiment delves into the fascinating realm of neuroscience and the extraordinary phenomenon of neuroplasticity. In 2023, researchers discovered groundbreaking techniques to manipulate neural networks using non-invasive brain stimulation. By applying targeted electrical impulses, scientists were able to enhance cognitive abilities, memory retention, and even control specific actions. This experiment hinted at a future where we might unlock the full potential of the human brain. Conclusion. As our captivating journey through the remarkable science experiments of 2023 comes to a close, we stand in awe of the boundless possibilities that scientific innovation brings to our world. Each experiment has pushed the boundaries of knowledge and offered glimpses into a future that holds tremendous promise. Join us next time as we continue to unravel the wonders of scientific discovery. Thank you for joining us today on this awe-inspiring adventure. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest scientific breakthroughs. Remember, the wonders of science are endless, and we're here to bring them right to your screens. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep embracing the beauty of the world around us.